Hey guys! Welcome to another video. Today, we are gonna see what happens when COD Mobile shows you 1% of pity. Literally one of 3 times I've ever gotten lucky in these so-called lucky draws. Which have nothing to do with luck, by the way. Let's see my luck in its peak. The new legendary operator draw. I just want the legendary butterfly knife cuz I need a legendary melee weapon. That's actually a sick combat axe. No thanks, I already have a sick blue skin for it. I've had enough. Please, for once in your worthless lives, give me what I want. Finally, I got lucky in a lucky draw. Let me see if I can still get Sophia. No, huh? That's fair. Well, that's that.
Oh yeah, in the lore Ghost killed Templar.
And with Sophia being Templar's daughter, it makes sense she would want revenge. I would like to get her cuz her special skins are animated. Oh well, see you next time.